And he got a call. In his Yellow Pages ad, he advertised his services for $99. There was a very distressed housewife. She couldn't reach her husband, she couldn't reach her neighbor, she couldn't reach anybody. And finally she called this plumber. And she said, my sink is not working. Something is stuck up, something is wrong. And your services are $99. It's probably something simple. Come on out. So he came out and he fixed it. So he gave her a bill for $1,099.
Oh my gosh.
And she said, well, what the fudge? All you did was take a hammer and tap a pipe. He said, ma'am, $99 is for tapping the pipe. $1,000 is for knowing where to tap. I'm here today not to sell you anything. I'm here to share information on where to tap. You have, in this society, been taught that you have to have a FICO score, you have to have a 20% down, and you have to have a bank to finance the property. How many of you have seen those late night commercials? We buy real estate, no money, no banks, no credit. How many of you believe it? Nobody in the room? How many of you not gonna raise your hand no matter what I say? Well, in 1997, I was going through a divorce. I was the mother of 2 small kids at the time. I had 4 children, but my 2 smaller children were babies. And I was used to a certain lifestyle. I had become accustomed. I was a professional model, so we lived this high ritzy lifestyle. And all of a sudden, my lifestyle was about to change. So I'm watching one of those late night commercials that I saw, like you saw, for the 1,000th time. And I went to the seminar. I did my first deal in 2 weeks, and I made $10,299. And I said, yes,